Hello guys, this is Eleftheria from Eleftheria Business PR. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about the latest updates on Pinterest, and also I want to say to all of you, thank you very much for subscribing to my channel, and thank you very much for liking my videos. And also, if you haven't subscribed yet, for those who are still, they're new and they're watching me, please do, and let me know what you think. And also to all of you out there, please stay safe from this pandemic that is going on, and also make sure let's say positive, and we will beat it. We're all of us in this together. So today I'm just gonna discuss about the latest Pinterest update, and that is Pinterest trends. And this is very powerful tool that is going to help us find the right keywords on e-commerce and also on bloggers, and also the right season. So the last 12 months, this Pinterest trends is going to help us find what is actually more popular search on Pinterest, and how that is going to help us promote, our businesses, help us with the Pinterest marketing campaigns, and also, it's very important because we get many ideas. Now, let's recap and remember that Pinterest always like new content. Fresh pins is very important from Pinterest. So even if your old content, for example, it doesn't have a lot of pins or repins, create new pins and start pinning new pins. There's nothing wrong with that. Pinterest loves that. And let's keep doing it, especially now Pinterest helping us a lot with new tips, new tools. It's very easy for us. And also what I wanted to say to you, a small tip here, that a lot of my clients, and people ask me all the time if you can pin other people's pins. Actually, you can pin other people's pins, and also what I suggest is create boards and put, other people's pins into those boards, trying to find attractive titles. Of course, remember in the previous videos, keywords and phrases are important. And then, fill up those boards with pins of other people. That's going also to help you by, getting some new group boards, collaborations, and you can actually help you a lot by getting new followers, because a lot of people also struggle with new followers as well. So this is some example, and tips that I'm giving you, and please follow it up. In my channel, you're never going to find spammy techniques. I never have any problems. My clients' accounts are always on the top of it. I never have any problems. We never get suspended. I don't know what other people are telling you to do. Is follow those rules and you will get on the top of it. Now, let's see these Pinterest trends. As you can see here, is what people are looking for in United States. So obviously US is a big market, and we're all of us trying to get into it. And let's see a couple of things that are actually trading right now, like movies to words, drawing ideas, helping other quotes, especially now that we're all of us at home. And this is drawing ideas. So let's press that. And what you can see here is all this month from last year, from May, all these months, that how long that was trading, that drawing ideas. So this is very interesting, because we can see here that how long it was trading, and you can see here the graph is kind of helping us a lot. And also here on the left of it is all the volume search over time. Obviously it's by volume. It's not like, for example, let's say drawing ideas 24th of March, 100 on the top. It's like 100 searches. Is obviously by volume. That's what it say here, that the search is by volume of the term to all searches during the week and also during the months as well, which is really good for us, especially when we like to pin fresh content and we want to promote before Halloween, for instance, and we will get into it. Now, here below we have all the months. For example, all the months, which months they're going, drawing ideas. And below is obviously all related terms. So this is all related keywords and terms that are searching and ranking high. So this is very good keyword research tool, guys, that is going to help us a lot. So please use it and experiment. Remember that it's not available at all countries at present, but that doesn't matter. It's going to go to other countries as well. You can ask them, to do it quickly. I mean, there is a submit feedback if you want to send any feedback or help them, improve the tool. I'm sure they will. And also, here is the help button. If you need to ask anything or read an article about Pinterest trends, you can go and find out. Now, see here below, you have the most popular pins on this about drawing ideas. Let's have here add a term like Halloween, and you can see here there's plenty ones: Halloween costumes, makeup, Halloween costumes, women, decorations. Let's choose decorations. Wow, look at that. Halloween decorations is actually week ending at the beginning of October, is on the top of the search. So if you have products or Halloween, I'm not saying costumes, decorations, any Halloween decorations, you need to start promoting it even a month or even 2 months before. And it's good to also start pinning Halloween content before. And not before a month. So you need to think, this is why this tool is very powerful, because it's helping you to see when is a top search, at which day and what season. So again, you can see here on the right, if I press this, I can see all the Halloween popular terms: DIY Halloween decoration indoors. So for those who are struggling to get your repins, this is very helpful tool, and you can get a lot of repins and a lot of impressions. And be patient. Sometimes your pins might do well, sometimes they might not will do well, but you're learning. And this is a process. We're all of us here to learn. We have Halloween decoration outdoors, and here you can have 4 keywords or phrases. For example, let's choose another Halloween costumes. Let's choose that. So you have also Halloween costumes on the top. Look, incredible. So you can have a look from November. Here from November, the search is September. So it's something for you to consider. And then it's Christmas. Let's search for Christmas. Christmas decorations. And you can see here, it's not really on the top. It's all about November, starting from November. But you still, you can have a look through from the volumes. Again, we say it's not like one person search for it, is by volume. So this is just 0 to 100, how popular is the search. So this is the Pinterest trends, guys. It's going to help you a lot, and you need to pay attention into it. And again, here below, all the most popular pins, you can find out. Remember, by adding the relevant keywords, pinning, and invite other people to your boards, or create your own group boards, is really going to help you get some followers. And the more followers, the more up you will obviously go. And remember that we are all of us here to learn. Don't stress if you don't have followers. A lot of people just are started. Don't do anything silly like using non-official Pinterest bots that will destroy, suspend your account. Please don't do that. We're all of us starting from zero, and there is no point of doing it. Start getting traffic organically, and then promote your pins at the low cost. Now, also here on the end by, let's go here. Let's go to the beginning. I want to show you something. But it's actually a website that they have. You see now it's a different search of what is trending. Home office wasn't here before, or at work, home workouts, especially now everybody's at home with this pandemic. So here below there is a Pinterest, 100 Pinterest trends, and there is a website. When you click it, there is a lot of news about particular niche and how long they're searching for, how the percentage of searching for it, and you can have a look and read about it here, the travel stories, or everything that people look on Pinterest, space, business tips, and you can also go below and then you can have a press kit if you want to read it, other resources. It's really, really good. It's a new one. And we're all of us here to learn. It helps you, gives you an extra tips on how to grow your account. So take your time. Like, for example, here you see all the top categories like beauty, celebrations, entertainment, food and beverage. All of those things are very, very important for you to have a look through. Remember, have a look through. I will put all the links. I will put the links of the Pinterest threads, and I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. If you're new, please subscribe, and leave your comments below, and I wish you well.